Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram mention not working. For that, we need to go to Instagram account, and here you need to click on three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Let's scroll down. So here you will see the help option, and here you need to report a problem. Report a problem. Tap on report a problem. Tap on include and continue. And here you need to type your problem. So my problem is my Instagram mentions are not working. Mentions are not working. So my ID network by next uh, which account was linked to your you need to be your account details also, mail and contact number. After that you need to click on here send. You need to tap a send on this. So after that, within 24 hours you will definitely rectify your problem. Your account Instagram will be updated. Thank you.